Congratulations, you've saved your $1,000 starter emergency fund. But now comes the big question. Where should you actually keep it? Checking account? Savings? Maybe investments? The truth is, the wrong choice could cost you money, or even put your safety net at risk. Most people just leave their emergency fund sitting in a checking account. Sure, it's convenient, but most checking accounts pay zero interest. That means your money loses value over time, quietly shrinking your safety net. Others think they should invest their emergency fund, stocks, crypto, real estate. But emergencies don't wait for the market. If your car breaks down during a crash, your emergency fund could lose 20% overnight. That defeats the entire purpose. So where should you keep it? The answer, a high-yield savings account. These accounts are FDIC insured, meaning your money is protected up to $250,000. They also pay much higher interest than traditional banks, often 10 to 15 times more. And most importantly, they're liquid. You can access your money quickly if needed. Some people use money market accounts. These work similarly to savings accounts. Others consider short-term CDs. But remember, CDs lock your money for months. In an emergency, you don't want penalties or delays. Flexibility matters most. Here's what I want you to do: open a dedicated high-yield savings account today. Give it a powerful name, like Peace of Mind Fund or Safety Net Account. Labeling your account makes it feel real, and helps you resist dipping into it. Now you know exactly where to keep your emergency fund, safe, accessible, and growing. Hit like, subscribe, and join me next week as we talk about your very first investment.